Hello, welcome, and thanks for joining today's event. I'd like to extend a warm welcome to our guests, including officials from the Hefei City Government, representatives of the Hefei High-tech Industrial Zone, strategic partners from RT Mart and Aramark, valued Gaomei, Rongen, and Tennant distributors, and Tennant Company team members in China. We're excited to celebrate the opening and expansion of Tennant Company's presence in Hefei. It's with great pride and a sense of accomplishment that we showcase our new manufacturing plant that now has the capability to develop and produce products from 3 great brands in Tennant, Gaomei, and Rongen. An expanded distribution center and warehouse to meet the needs of customers throughout China and into the broader APAC region. And an office complex that serves as a hub of activity for our talented professional teams as they lead the way in creating the cleaning industry of the future in China. The milestone represents the culmination of the collective work and contributions from all of you. And I'd like to extend a special thanks to the city of Hefei and to the Hefei High-tech Industrial Zone. Your strong partnership has been fundamental to our decision to relocate our manufacturing plant to the High-tech Industrial Zone in 2019, and our decision to continue to invest as we've done this year with the addition of Tennant manufacturing in Hefei. Your efforts have created an environment that makes Hefei a compelling place to grow our manufacturing footprint in support of our China and Asia Pacific businesses. I'd like to thank our Tennant, Gaomei, and Rongen distribution partners, as well as our key customers in RT Mart and Aramark. Your partnership and commitment have enabled us to grow together and continue building on our respective market-leading positions in China. I'd like to thank our employees in China. You've done an exceptional job in keeping each other safe and healthy, executing the integration of our China business, exceeding the expectations of our customers, and staying focused on delivering business results. The acquisition of Gaomei represented a turning point of the Tennant business in China. The company that the Chen family created and grew in Hefei is now the foundation of Tennant Company's growth aspirations in China. I'd like to thank Mr. Chen Guobao for his leadership and the entire Chen family for their partnership over these past several years. At every step in our journey together, Mr. Chen Guobao and the Chen family have been remarkable partners. Their knowledge and experience have been invaluable. Their commitment to ethical business practices have been unquestionable, and their stewardship of the company has been exceptional. This year, Tennant is celebrating its 150th anniversary. Over the past 150 years, Tennant Company has continuously innovated, adapted, and grown into the global market leader that we are today. We look forward to continue building on the legacy that was started 150 years ago here in Minneapolis, and on the legacy that the Chen family started in China 22 years ago. Collectively, and with your partnership, we're confident that the best is yet to come for the business in China. We hope you enjoy today's celebration. We thank you for spending time with us, and I wish you all the best.